Hey guys, it's the Creator Gem back with another video, and today I'm unboxing my new MacBook Air. This is my first Apple product and I'm so excited for you guys to see what's inside. I also got a few accessories from Amazon to complement my new computer. And if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and share. Also follow my other social medias listed below, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so it looks like there's something very special underneath my Christmas tree, and that is my new gold MacBook Air. As you can see, I cannot wait to open it until Christmas. This is my first Apple purchase, and I'm so excited to see what's inside. I purchased my computer at Costco. So Costco has their own Apple event and is actually better than the actual Apple event that Apple had on Black Friday. So Costco is taking $150 off this particular computer, but you can only get that discount with a Costco membership. So I spent $120 for the Costco membership, which took $150 off, which is basically brought it down to $800 or $799.99. I also got the Apple Care through Costco, and that was $159. And if you guys didn't know, that's a heck of a lot cheaper than Best Buy or Apple itself, which I believe is $200. So the total for my computer is $1,020.78. And to me, I think that's a pretty good deal. My Costco membership, I'm actually just going to cancel that because I only got it to get the computer. But I think I got a pretty good steal, and you guys still have time to get it. However, the gold color is currently sold out. Inside the box is a friendly user guide with those signature gold Apple stickers, the computer, a USB-C charging cable, and also a USB charging brick for fast charging. You guys can find out more about this computer with the links I provided below, but for now, I'm going to do a little bit unboxing ASMR. Alright, so that was a little bit of ASMR radio and with the Creative Gem style. But setup was pretty easy. I plugged in the charger into my outlet. Now I'm just answering some prompts to set up the computer, which is easy. It's a little tedious, just a lot of questions to answer, but it's relatively easy to start using. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. That pretty much sums up the unboxing of my new MacBook Air, but now I'm going to show you the accessories that I got from Amazon. So I purchased this computer particularly for video editing. I am a content creator and also a YouTuber, as you can see, and I did not want to use the trackpad. I'm going to be doing a lot of clicking, and I just did not want to use that trackpad. So I went on Amazon trying to find a wireless mouse, and I came across this brand. It's called KLO, and this is a rechargeable Bluetooth mouse for the MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, etc., etc. So it was a pretty good price point. It was $13.86, and I believe there was also a coupon, but that could have been another thing. But it was $13.86, a really good price point, and it had a lot of good reviews. It had 30,000 reviews, so I decided to get it, and it has a plethora of beautiful colors. As you can see, they have an ombre color, other different colors, and I got the rose gold to match my computer color, which is gold. The second accessory that I found on Amazon is this Wysaggy multifunctional office desk pad. I basically was looking for a protective surface, but also a mouse pad, something big enough where I didn't have to worry about my mouse going off the edge. So I found this one. This one is 23.6 inches long by 13 by 7 inches wide. It is ultra thin, waterproof, and I really like this one. It also comes at a great price point. It is $10. I got the pink color. It comes in an array of other colors, but I really didn't like the other colors, so I just got pink, and you're gonna see why very shortly why I got that pink color. The third accessory that I found on Amazon is this beautiful floral bundled protective case. Now, this computer is pricey, and I did not want to just have any type of case. I didn't want a case that covered the back because I got it for the gold color. So I wanted to show off the Apple logo and the gold color. So I found this beautiful floral transparent case. The bundle also included a transparent keyboard protector, a mouse pad, and also a small little baggie for storage. This little pouch actually came in handy because I used it to store my mouse and the charger. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so obsessed with this. This is so pretty, and it was only $18. Can you believe that? Only $18. The case comes in two parts, and it's super easy to put together. You just snap the bottom on. You kind of have to slide it on a little bit, then snap it, and it's the same thing with the top. Once again, this looks so pretty, and I hope it holds up. So far, I give it a huge thumbs up. I added some flair to my keyboard by applying the protective keyboard cover. It takes a little bit to adjust, but it's pretty easy to apply. Alright, so that pretty much concludes my unboxing of my new MacBook Air along with the accessories I found on Amazon. Pretty much all that's left is to customize my MacBook. That will be a separate video. I will show you some tips and tricks that I did to customize it, but I'm still getting used to this because this is my first Apple product. But stay tuned for that video in the near future. If you guys enjoy content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification on the bottom to be notified when a new video comes out. Until then, stay safe, stay home, and wash your hands. Bye, guys.